Gwyneth Bethany Malyari from Grade 10 St. Augustine of Hippo. It's an honor to stand before you today as we commemorate this huge milestone, a testament to our perseverance and profound growth. Before we begin, give a high five to the person next to you and say, "Thank you for surviving." I would like to extend my utmost gratitude to our alma mater, Santa Cruz Academy of Lubao Incorporated, for being a home of learning and a sanctum of our growth. To our beloved directress, Mrs. Rosalia Dubu Jimenez, thank you for being our steady foundation of our academic journey. To our school principal, Mrs. Annie Bes Galang de los Santos, thank you for your leadership and unrelenting guidance. To our SCALI Board of Trustees, administrative staff, security team, and maintenance crew, thank you for your behind-the-scenes dedication and tireless efforts. To our class advisor, Mr. Gil Lampato, thank you for being our beacon of encouragement and a pillar of support. I also want to recognize our amazing junior high school department and all the teachers. Your passion and patience help shape us in more ways. Thank you for pushing us to discover new strengths and weaknesses that became stepping stones. To my SAO stalwarts, row 4 buddies, Erica, Jasmine, and Krisha. My dear brothers by heart, Asher and Lander. My dear friends, Kate, Rain, Angel, Shana, Christine, Bianca, Daphne, Diane, our class president, and to everyone who stood by me throughout this journey. I'll forever treasure the indelible echoes of the past we've forged together. As Ben and Ben sang, sa paggagat ng realidad ng buhay, landas natin sadyang magkakahiwalay. In eternity's canvas, our moments forever brush. We've laughed together, stressed together, prayed together, even whispered answers during surprise recitations. Time flew by so fast, and now we're moving on. With bigger dreams, stronger hearts, and perhaps slightly bigger eye bags. To our parents and families, we owe this achievement to you, especially to my mom. Your endless sacrifices and boundless love are why I stand here today. You are my anchor and my greatest blessing. Above all, thank you to our Almighty Father for illuminating our journey with His divine guidance and wisdom every step of the way. As Habakkuk chapter 3 verse 19 reminds us, "The sovereign Lord is my strength. He makes my feet like the feet of a deer. He enables me to tread on the heights." No matter how steep the climb is, with God, we will rise. And before we part ways tonight, let's take a moment to thank ourselves. Yes, you who found the quiet strength to keep going, for showing up even on the hardest days, for always choosing growth over comfort and hope over fear. Once again, I am Malyari Gwyneth Bethany, just like all of you, proud of how far we've come, grateful for everyone who helped us along the way, and ready for the next journey that awaits. Congratulations, class of 2024 to 2025. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you so much, Gwyneth Bethany Malyari, for the words of gratitude.